Looks like we're going on our delivery, boys. Hello again. And this time, another unboxing. Well, the last time I did Series 14, I'm gonna do another one. So, yeah, I got this from the mail. And let's see what's inside, eh? Hold on a second. So, basically, there's something inside that I very much ordered from Japan. And it's basically not a pretty cure DVD. So it's basic on a Cartoon Network anime series based on the original source material from 1998, and it's a Magical Girl series, and it was based on Original, which is the most popular Cartoon Network show from Cartoon Network from Warner Brothers. I'll give you a guess. Alright? You figure it out? Well, here it is. I'd like you to see this. Yep. A Powerpuff Girls Z DVD featuring episode 1 and 2. Wow, that's crazy. I never seen this one before, but it looks amazing. I mean, look at it. Looks beautiful. I got this from Amazon already, so yeah. That is, well, the Powerpuff Girls Z on Blu-ray. I mean, DVD. Sorry. My bad on that part. My part. But, anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Cheerio!